ballin' on these niggas, go check the stats, these niggas nobody. All the talking pussy niggas, go chase a check, these niggas broke pop. Too many hatin' them, gotta watch your guys, cause they ain't your partner. Stay down out the way, that badge is getting bigger. I'm focused on the chick, tryna run me up some million. No time to love or trust, a bitch can't keep it real, she needs. I'd rather run through bags to the cash of niggas.
I don't know the last time y'all seen the 112, but y'all can see it's time to get this top end on. This right here, this circle is kicking my ass. I got the other side of it on so far. Now I'm just trying to get this side on. Then I'm gonna make sure the ring's at the right spot, because the image is sliding and shit. But I know it's supposed to be like a little notch on there. It's not on this side. I think it's on the other side somewhere. But I'm gonna show y'all. And I got the arrow to the front. No cap. They said I go to the exhaust. The exhaust is a different. But y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna try to get back with y'all when I get this part in there. This shit giving me hell. I've been here for at least an hour trying to get this part in. Y'all stay tuned. I've been in this bitch. This shit been kicking my ass for about an hour, 2 hours, gang. My dumb ass. I put the circlip in before. One circlip in before I put the piston on, right? Then my dumb ass got on the other side. Who is that? Then I got on the other side, gang. My dumb ass is trying to put the circle up in the same side I already put it in. I've been doing that shit for an hour, just realizing. YouTube, as y'all can see, we done finally got the cylinder on. We got this goddamn, come right here and show them the cylinder. I mean the piston. We got the piston going up smooth, no bindings or nothing. Next, we need to get this next gasket on. After we get that gasket on, we're gonna get that cylinder head on. And after that, I'm gonna tap back in with y'all. Y'all stay tuned. YouTube, as y'all can see, man, I got the cylinder on, spark plug on. Right now, I'm getting the reeds on there. Go to the other side. Got that power valve on there. My dumb ass, this is supposed to go through there, so I'm gonna have to take it off there and get it through there later on. I don't know what the fuck go right there. I'm gonna figure it out though in a second. Right now, I'm screwing down these bolts right here. After that, put the carb in there. Put the air box thing back on there. Put some fluids in there and I'll be all done, man. Y'all stay tuned. But y'all can see I got all the plastics back on the 112, the gas tank, spark plug, everything back on the 112. I just gotta get fluids in it and I'm gonna try to get y'all the first start. Y'all stay tuned. Right now I'm about to try to, not about to try, but right now I'm finna put this oil in there. This not the oil I'm using, I just use this oil to measure. I think I'm gonna show y'all what I use with oil in a second. The oil I use right here. Now I gotta add some engine ice. I already got some gas mixed over there. I'm gonna use that gas. So I'm about to add this engine ice to the coolant. And then after I do the engine ice with the coolant, let's see what I gotta do. After engine ice with the coolant, I think what is it? I just did the oil. I think that's it. Oh, gas. I'm tweaking. Ain't got no gas in it. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I'm done, because that's definitely not enough. I gotta open this other jug. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna get back. Alright, YouTube. I done put some gas in the bike. I put coolant in the bike. I put oil in the bottom end. I'm not forgetting anything. There's one part that I got on here. It's the only thing. I don't know what I did with it, but it's like something that, I don't know where that shit go at. But I don't know, it's like something that hold the wires. That's all it do. I think it hold this wire though, if I'm not mistaken. I think it bolted into one of these right here though. I don't know what I did with it. We are all done. Time to put the gas on. Gas on, y'all see that, right? Gas on. Let's look at this compression. Compression is back. Got more compression than 125. Let's see. And you can see how tight this is. The wrist used to be hurting on this bit. Oh man. Then I got to sit. Oh. Then I got to sit on it. Stand up. I might gotta put my phone down for this shit, bro. I think somebody knowing that keep calling. Yeah, y'all gotta give me a minute, boy. This bitch is. I'm gonna set y'all up. So I ain't doing no cut. I don't wanna do no. I'm gonna try to set y'all up right here. So y'all can see me try to get this shit started. It's about to be the first start. kicking like a little girl, man. I got slides on, man. Should've got them. Brought me some shoes and been prepared. Oh, heavy rain. I got the KX112 running, as y'all can see. I'm not sure if it's gonna idle because I don't got the OEM jets in there. I had upgraded my jets a long time ago, like last summer, I think. So I gotta find the right jets. I'm not even sure which one I changed. I think I changed the pilot. But as y'all can see, I got it started. Now I need to go ahead and do a little heat cycle. My mechanic told me let it run for a minute on the first heat cycle, and then after that, I'm gonna try to after the first heat cycle, had to restart that shit. First heat cycle for the 112. I'm running for a little minute, and then I'm gonna let it cool off completely. Second one, I'm gonna let it run a little longer. And then I'm gonna let it cool off completely. And the third one, I'm gonna ride it around the neighborhood slowly, and then come back and check the fluid. Y'all stay tuned. Motherfucker still sound boggy though.